In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export vertical Instagram videos from Adobe Premiere Pro with the best settings. First, make sure your edit is ready to go on the timeline, ideally in a vertical sequence. When you're set, open the export settings. You can do this by going to File, then Export, then Media, or simply using the shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows or CMD+M on a Mac. This opens the export window where we'll dial in everything Instagram needs. For format, choose H.264. This will create an MP4 file, which Instagram prefers and handles reliably. It's efficient, widely compatible, and delivers excellent quality for social uploads without bloating the file size. Next, set your frame size to 1080 by 1920. That's a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio. If your footage was shot horizontally, make sure you framed it appropriately in your edit so important details aren't cropped. This resolution is the sweet spot for Reels and Stories, sharp, clean, and platform ready. For frame rate, 30 frames per second is a great default for Instagram. If your footage was shot at a different frame rate and you want to preserve the original motion, you can match your footage instead. For example, keep 24 FPS for a more cinematic feel or 60 FPS for super smooth motion. The key is consistency between your sequence and export to avoid stutter. Now set your bitrate. A target of 8 to 12 megabits per second strikes a smart balance between quality and upload speed. Lower than that can look soft after Instagram's compression, and much higher won't add visible detail but will slow down uploads and processing. If you're unsure, start around 10 Mbps and you'll be in great shape. Under the extra options, enable render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. These two options can increase export time slightly, but they help with cleaner gradients, better color precision, and sharper scaling, especially important when resizing or working with graphics and text. It's a small time trade-off for a noticeable polish in the final video. Finally, give your file a clear name and choose a save location you'll remember, like a dedicated social exports folder. Keeping consistent names and dates helps when you're posting regularly or revisiting old versions. Once everything looks good, click Export. Premiere will render your MP4, and you'll be ready to upload directly to Instagram from your phone or desktop. That's it. Simple, reliable settings that deliver crisp, vertical video.